Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chevy Malibu battery. First, prioritize safety by always wearing protective eyewear and gloves. It's also crucial to work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any fumes. You'll find the Malibu's battery conveniently located in the trunk, specifically on the passenger side. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and effective charging process for your vehicle. Now, let's connect your battery charger. Start by securely attaching the positive, or red, charger clamp to the positive battery terminal. Next, connect the negative, or black, clamp to a clean, unpainted metal ground point on the vehicle's chassis, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe circuit. Always double-check that all your connections are firm and correct before you plug the charger into an electrical outlet. Once connected, it's time to charge. Set your battery charger to the correct voltage, which for most car batteries is 12 volts. Allow the battery to charge for several hours or until your charger indicates it's fully charged. Charging times can vary based on the battery's condition and charger's output. When complete, disconnect the charger by first removing the negative clamp, then the positive one, ensuring safety throughout the process. Maintaining your battery properly can extend its life significantly. Make it a habit to regularly clean your battery terminals to prevent corrosive buildup, which can hinder performance. If you often leave your Malibu unused for extended periods, consider using a battery tender to keep it optimally charged. This prevents deep discharge and prolongs battery health. And hey, for other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Keep your battery healthy and your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.